So yeah, 5 days ago I posted an episode of this documentary. You know my documentary. So and then once again, like when it's not my podcast, it's trying to impersonate what happened to me. So basically, she's now telling her audience that, I mean, most likely, but she's telling her audience that her fake husband, because there is no husband, there is no baby actually. So she's telling her audience that he took her baby and she cannot go back to whatever country, and she's blocked. Basically my life story, which is hilarious. I don't even know what to think about this, but yeah, best believe it's of course it's online harassment, but it goes deeper than this. So yeah, this is actually the purpose of recording everything and documenting everything, is to show the world how I had, to go through an inhuman and insane amount of attacks on my character, on my life story. But the way I see it, I'm going to tell you what I think. The way I see it is, it's not just someone who is obsessed with my life story and is trying to, be me. No, it goes deeper, because she shared recently actually personal details that no one is. I know exactly who knows these details, and it is people from my past, people who have done extreme inhuman things to me, and those people are now afraid that the truth is coming out. So basically there is a link, and if there is a link, it's not just a woman who is trying to be me, you know what I mean? It's a hidden organization, most likely. It's online harassment, most likely, and it is trying so hard to bury my real life story, and it's just not happening. So I guess they can try. It's, some people don't have a brain, so you can try. It's just adding to the case, and it's just adding the inhuman online harassment and everything in between, as if it's just online harassment. It's going deeper and deeper and deeper. So yeah, this is why I started this documentary, because I was like, you know what, you don't want to do this, but actually you have to do this, because you did not survive this living hell for nothing. No, it's to raise awareness and to be the living proof that you can come back from the pit and look like this also, because this is kind of a miracle. This is what people don't like about, this type of story. It's like, how she's not crazy yet, how she's not dead yet, how. I forgot to tell you 2 weeks ago, I mean tomorrow is going to be 2 weeks. 2 weeks ago I went to have my nails done, and out of nowhere this car tried to run me over. I know, crazy, right? So yeah, as I said, most likely it's a hidden organization, and the truth always comes out one way or another.